everyone, welcome back to DIY Discovery with me, Mad Scientist Maddie. Today, we're having a lab dance party, but we forgot to bring a speaker. Oh no, how are we gonna hear the music? Thankfully, I'm a mad scientist and I know how to make one. And if you wanna make one at home, here's a tutorial. So, what you're gonna need is one roll, like from a paper towel, 2 paper cups, a marker, and some scissors. Make sure you know how to use these safely, or you can get an adult to do the cutting bits for you. Optionally, you could also have some plasticine. I'll show you what we're going to do with that. Those aren't strictly necessary. All right, so we are going to need to stick the phone into the paper towel, and then we're going to need to stick the paper towel roll into each of these cups on both ends. And to do that, we're going to need to do some drawing with the marker to do a stencil. So, let's do it. Aha! Got it. Okay, next one. All right, now we've got our speaker almost done. Now, this is where the optional plasticine comes in, or Play-Doh. So if you've got a few holes where your cups are connected to your toilet paper roll, you can use some plasticine or Play-Doh to just help fill in those gaps and connect the tube to the cups. All right, now that we've got our plasticine on, we are nearly done. But first, how does this work as a speaker? So when we put our phone into the tube, the sound goes out from the phone and it gets funneled through the tube into the 2 cups. And then it bounces around and it gets amplified, which means it gets louder. And also the cups help to direct the sound. So it's not necessarily going all around like it would from just your phone. It's directing the sound so it's more clear and loud in one specific direction. All right, last thing we need for a dance party is some music. Let's go.